Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be talking about the various job opportunity by this Engine International and how to create your account to enroll for a specific job and how to enroll for a specific job or how to find your specific job of your interest. And As you know that this Indian is one of the largest, fastest growing global contract research organization, and over the last 5 years that this company have doubled their headcounts, so that is around 5,000 employees. So this company are mostly working on pharmaceuticals stuff, but they also work on various thing. So this is a one of the uh, great place where you can apply for job, and you can find the link of this page in description box. There are two ways to apply for a specific job. You can send your CV to this specific mail ID, that is career@engineinternational.com, and to apply or to find a specific job for with respect to your stream and your skills. You can go to the job at its engine, but before going for a specific job, please click. You have to create your candidate login account. For this, click here on candidate login, and it will transition you to the account creation page. Here you have to click on create an account, and then you have to provide your email address and various thing and setup and password. Then you have to click on captcha and click on create an account. Then after this you will get an email on your provided email id, from where you have to verify your account, and then complete all the necessary steps required for creating the accounts. That is mostly the basic step that mm, might be required or not required. It's depend upon uh, once you have created your account, then please click on candidate login and sign into your account. So before applying for a it will transition you to the this career opportunity web page of Syngin International. Here you can see your name, and to search a specific job, you can find the job by typing the specific keywords, or that keywords project assistants, or project investigator, senior executive, junior executive, analyst, technician, whatever post you are looking for, and selecting the specific filter, like in job title, in job or description, whatever thing, and the country, and you can also filter out the job by the posting dates, so you can fine tune your job search, and once you have completed all this thing, click on search job, and here you are. You can see the list of the job, and their title and request, and the posted date and the location of uh, that specific position, and you can sort this list on various thing to apply for a specific job. Like here I am applying for upstream cell culture manufacturing senior executive post. So click on that specific post, and here you can see the designation, and job location and department, on which department, like where there are various department at Syngin International. So this job is it's from biopharmaceutical operation department at Syngin, and the job purpose and the key responsibility. So please do read this key responsibility and um, format your basic resume or CV according to this, and also do check out the educational qualification, basic educational requirement, and technical functional key skills, and the experience. And here is a bonus point, bonus tip for you, which will increase your chance of getting selected for a specific job at Syngin and any industry which on which you want to work, where you want to work. So the major tips and basic tips is that please do read the key responsibility and functional or technical skills required for the specific post, and do format your CV and resume according to that, and do never forget to include more keywords in your functional technical skills. You will mostly find that specific keywords in your job description, like here, like CHO based expression systems, map processing, map analysis, bioreactor maintenance, bioreactor optimizations, biosimilar protein optimization, characterizations, quality QA/QC of the biosimilars, equipment quantification, and the regulatory committee report preparations, and the various guidelines on which you have previously worked and have a knowledge on that. And I do recommend to do basic keyword search on various websites and also on Google's to know the list of keywords of skills for a specific job title and the specific position or field. And never forget to include the instrumentation skills which you have, analytical skills you have learned in your research journey and during your academic journey. And also never forget to include your research experience, volunteer experience, social service responsibility experience, social service section, and also the one of the major part which most of the peoples do not include in their CV, that is their professional experience and team activity. This most of the industry do look at these things because these things describe your personality, the kind of person you are. Are you capable of working in team or not? And the your journey and your leadership experience do matters for a specific job. So you can apply for this job, or you can save this job, or you can also email this job to your friend. To apply for this job, click on apply, and here your application portal. You can see the candidate ID, uh, and uh, if you are applying for first time, you have to upload your resume, updated resume, and also a cover letter and a provisional certificate. If you are fresher, I will try to um, uh, provide a few sample provisional certificate and cover letter in the comment box, if possible. And then you have to upload your photo, and you have to provide your personal information like PAN number, Aadhaar number, nationality, and various things. And if you have previously worked on a specific organization or company, then you have to provide employment ID, which is mostly provided in your uh, during your joining, or you can find that in your ID. and and do add your employment status if you have currently employed, or and you have to provide your starting date and ending date, and the name of company. And also you have to provide your educational qualification, the starting date and ending date from that, the degree, and from which university you have completed that course. And also do never forget to provide your honors, a list of honors and awards, and the publications. In publication, here you have to add your the author's name and the titles or the journal name and the institution, whether you have on what institute you have published, and the issue date of this uh, article. And also you have to provide, if you have, you can provide your posters, a list of posters you have presented on various conferences and seminars, workshop, with specific abstract ID or poster ID. Once you have completed and filled the all necessary information, you can print a preview, or to apply, to final submit your application, click on next. Then you have to provide a notice period, in what day you have. Then you have to provide a notice period, day, like here you can provide immediately or 50 day, if you are waiting for other opportunity. If you are applying for other job post, previously work in bioconverse engine, then click on yes. Uh, and if you have have not worked, and then provide other information and select other specific sections. And then you have to provide the basic space, salary, house rent allowance. If you are fresher, then you can add a 000. And if you are applying for second time, then you have to provide a monthly components, based on your latest pay slip. And I am not sure uh, how much amount fresher should yeah, type here. If anybody can help me, then please write down in comment. Then you have to write down your employee contributor to of PF and thing. If you're a fresher, then you have to not fill this section. Then you can fill a amount on annual other annual benefit. Then you have to provide a CTD, that is cost to company per annum. That is mostly the package according to annum, in which include performance bonus also. So you can enter the amount in number format, like 2 lakh, 5 lakhs, 10 lakh per annum. Then also provide a variable pay skills. Also provide a variable pay, performance bonus, and total CTC per annum, including your variable pay. I have communicated to this engine regarding this, what to fill in this sections. Actually fill in the sections. If anybody can help, then please comment down below. Once you have completed these steps, then click on apply, and here you will have submitted your application for a specific job. And you can print the at the end you can print your application. And if you don't find any specific job based on your skills, based on your background, then you uh, do prefer to drop your updated CV on this email ID. I wish you all the best for the application and job. Hey, please do check out other video in this channel and keep coming back to our channel and also following our uh, pages on various social media platforms. I do recommend you to follow or be a part of our LinkedIn page and LinkedIn group to never miss any opportunity and such kind of news on various job opportunity and workshop training program. So please join this initiative and do share our video to others so other will also get benefited and keep coming back to our channel and never miss to subscribe to our channel so you will never miss any update. Thank you. Thank you. See you in the upcoming video. Take care. Bye bye.